In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Gmail desktop notifications. If you want to be alerted whenever a new email arrives, Gmail makes it easy to enable desktop notifications right from your settings. This can be especially helpful if you're waiting for important messages and don't want to keep checking your inbox manually throughout the day. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can get everything set up in just a moment. Start by opening Gmail in your browser. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Click that gear icon and from the menu that appears, select See All Settings. This will open the full settings page where you can customize different parts of your Gmail experience. When the settings page opens, make sure you're on the General tab. In most cases, this tab opens by default, but if not, simply click on General at the top. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Desktop Notifications. This is where Gmail lets you choose whether or not you want notification pop-ups to appear on your computer when new messages come in. In the Desktop Notifications section, select New Mail Notifications on if you want to receive alerts for all incoming emails. If you'd prefer fewer interruptions and only want alerts for messages Gmail considers more important, you can choose Important Mail Notifications on instead. Pick the option that best matches how you use your inbox and how frequently you want to be notified. After making your selection, don't forget the final step inside Gmail. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This is important because your new notification preference won't be applied unless you save it. Once that's done, there's one more thing to check outside of Gmail itself. Your browser must also allow notifications for the Gmail website. If browser notifications are blocked, Gmail may be set correctly, but alerts still won't appear. So make sure notifications are allowed for mail.google.com in your browser settings or in the permission prompt if one appears. And that's it. After these settings are enabled, Gmail should be able to notify you on your desktop when new messages arrive, based on the option you selected. If notifications don't show up right away, refreshing Gmail or reopening the tab can sometimes help. Thanks for watching.